Today I teach you Move and Rotate Adjust. Select the Move and Rotate Adjust tool. The tool info bar is displayed here. Check Relate. Other options cannot be selected. Left button. Select the adjustment length. Right-click to confirm. Left button. Select the sewing length. Right-click to confirm. The new line will be copied. Left-click to confirm the location. Adjust the new line. And the original line will also be modified. Right-click to OK. You can also use the Modify tool to adjust the line later. Not check Relate. The operation now is the same. But new lines are not copied. Check Select Flip Group. Left-click the line. Lines change direction. Check Fixed Line. To keep the line length. Select the adjustment method in Adjust mode. Right-click to end. Thanks for watching.